skills are more important, in my view, or equally important, if not more, as compared to technical skills in our job. Hello, dear friends. My name is Naren, and I'm a sales leader in Google. And I have the responsibility for evangelism and sales for Google Cloud products. Prior to Google, I have been in the technology industry for about 20 years, and I've worked for companies like Accenture, IBM, Microsoft, and Amazon in the past. We are living in the most exciting times of human history. Now, I am not suggesting that there wasn't innovation earlier, but the pace at which innovation is happening now is simply unprecedented. We live in a time when ideas of young innovators can be brought to life very quickly and efficiently through the power of the internet and mobile. I can tell you that my job as a technology sales leader is one of the most fulfilling experiences that I've had in my career. And let me narrate to you an incident which I was a part of. In my sales career, I had the good fortune of working with one of the Fortune 500 companies in India, a very large oil and gas company. You would typically think that a large public sector run government oil and gas company would not have anything to do with technology. And that is where most of us are mistaken. And the ability for us to engage with that organization, to look at what they are planning for the future, how they are trying to think about digital solutions to solve problems for the future, how they are thinking about electric vehicles, battery operated vehicles in the future, and how they want to create an ecosystem to fuel that next generation of India. It was extremely critical. And I will point out a few things that I thought was, in my view, a little bit of a success in how we were able to shape that vision for that large Fortune 500 Maharatna company. First of all, I want to talk to you about three things that make a successful technology sales professional. And then I'll talk a little bit about the characteristics, the important characteristics that can help you achieve the pinnacle of success. The three pillars, in my view, are firstly hard work, right? There is no shortcut in this profession than sheer hard work and the ability to sweat it out. Hard work is a two-way street, my friends. You will get back whatever you put in. The second is discipline. And discipline, I would say, is, has a price to pay. And the price that you pay for discipline is, in my view, always less than the pain of regret that you will have later. And the third is teamwork. As sales professionals, you will have to team up with different people within your own company, from your customers, even from third parties. And the ability to earn trust and work cohesively is going to be super necessary to make you successful. As a sales professional, and back to my oil and gas company story, the most important thing, in my view, was our ability to listen to the customer and find solutions to convert their vision into reality. As a sales professional, you have to be a very good listener. The best salespeople that I have come across speak the least in meetings and listen with empathy and with an approach to problem solving. If we had not kept our minds open and not thought that a traditional oil and gas refining company has a digital future in mind, we would have blocked ourselves from making one of the most impactful sales that has ever happened in recent technology. So that, I believe, listening ability is most important. And also, as somebody who wants to be the catalyst for change, you need to believe that nothing is impossible. You need to keep a positive attitude and believe in the mission that you are transforming the world for a better tomorrow through use of technology, and also adapting environments, like, for example, what's happening with COVID right now. Also, one of the most important things is to work on written and verbal communication. Soft skills are more important, in my view, or equally important, if not more, as compared to technical skills in our job. The ability for us to use our spoken and written word to convey the message that we are trying to convey is critical. And in a role where you are going to believe that you are the channel, you are the mechanism for making a difference and changing the world for tomorrow, this is the most important aspect to have. The ability to be able to take that vision, listen that vision with intent, convert it into a technology solution, and present it back effectively. So, public speaking, the ability to write good emails, the ability to speak well in meetings is extremely critical. Technology solutions that you are selling are going to make this country and this world a safer, healthier, more prosperous, productive place. And it's a mission that is beyond just making sales numbers and sales quotas. Thank you for listening and all the very best.